guys, it's AJ with Dadjobs. I'm a dad doing jobs around the house. Today we're going to look at getting this faucet replaced here in our guest bathroom. As you can see, it has got a lot of corrosion around the base. If you like our content and appreciate these videos, we would greatly appreciate if you consider liking and subscribing to our channel. So we got PEX here with newer valves. All we really have to do is turn these valves, turn off the water, and then unhook these. We can switch out this drain as well. So, all right, let's start with this. Alright guys, so again, this was AJ Allen with Dadjobs. Greatly appreciate your support. If this helped you out, please consider liking and subscribing. Alright, we will see you on the next one. But this sink faucet is complete with the drain, all brand new, clean, fresh, and ready to go. So you can do it too. Now get to it. We'll see you soon. Thanks.